What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Liable to be extended provided they
Menteri katana social welfare ubak polling do hak arpau trik nailar upentep baka Sorkar jela kala ai ka jimunjur banset phatok hadu shisnam hapo ka prevention of illicit trafficking in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act PIT and DPS ka kandai spa prabupra persha ek sangut kisnar nongkhaii drok ki babon naki ki bala syak kem bunsien
of all these
Ya kani ka hukum set phatok la menjur dak advisory board ki laingot ki dekat balakli da retired chief justice hapo ka kendon laipoi jong ka PIT and DPS.
also
Kini kisan ngot kisnar nongkhaii drok ki dei ki balatip kerteng kum upen hoi nong tudu baju khotsin upun laipusan jong ka thatlas ken police station West Giant Hills haka arpo artrik nailar arja arpsal Hubert Lamprang Paliar baju khotsin lungrin arpo ar na mauyong pendeng rei Northern West Khasi Hills ha ubenai kelalingkot arja arpasan Marwil nangba baju khotsin Marwil sabkendai na lompariat juai West Giant Hills rintu ji saikya baju khotsin Pratap laipusan na Nongrim Hills bat ka Aisha Khatun alias Pahari Sunpost Nemerta na Luwa Paltan Bazar.
personnel and also
Ngas ngokmen ban pentep shapi banadu benai nailar arjar absan hadu menta ngilala ban ajing menjur ya ka hukum set phatok persya ek sangut kisnar nongkhaii drok ki babon naki ki blasha kem bunsien
liable for
ya kini ki case la pha shak advisory board ki laingot ki dekat balakli da retired chief justice bat halor ka jing menjur jong ka board la pengat yaki haga kendon lifeway jong ka prevention of illicit trafficking in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act PIT and DPS ka kendai spa prabupra ong uba pol habakren shakilar pthai kubor Menteri ulaong baka Sorkar jela kala shimik sinjam ki baklan banthwet batte la kam ya ka yat ka yeng jong ki nongkhaii drok hapo ka jela
not only
Ulaong bakidan shibun ki case ki blayo ban kem kenthop ka jingyo kurup ya udrok ba shongdor hadu sauklor tingka na East Giant Hills ka badai ru ka wei ki jingyo kurup drok ka ba hetam kat hadu menta
harbors
ban penslor shushu ikidkhot ka anti narcotics task force ANTF Menteri daladi hi unsa IT ya song pisa bat ki sernat shakitu ki dekat baslur ki babut dien bat kami ki badan kti ha ka jingalang ka banlong ha ka directorate jong ka ANTF golflink ha ka arpoi trik nailar
they come across developments and initiatives of the state government of Meghalaya. I would like to first start with the current narcotics and drug scene in the state. The state government is seized of the seriousness of and the gravity of the situation, which is why we have stepped up efforts and to track and control the movement of peddlers, both small and big players. In the course of our exercise, numerous cases have been unearthed, and just as recently as last week, in the East Giant Hills district, there was a seizure of narcotics worth over rupees 4 crores, which is one of the biggest seizures so far. Now, in order to encourage more such activities on the part of the Dream Mission as Minister in charge of Social Welfare, I will personally hand over and hand over some cash incentives and certificates to these personnel of the ANTF who braved all challenges in order to finally be able to track down, capture the culprits, and currently these are under police custody. So this program will be held tomorrow at the Directorate of the ANTF Golf Links at 12:30 p.m. People have also been wondering about the fate of some of the major drug peddlers in the state of Meghalaya, and whether after they have been detained, what happened to them, what kind of the execution of the rule of natural justice, what has transpired so far. So I am happy to share with you that from August 2024 till today, we have been able to successfully clear the detention orders of 5 major narcotics dealers, most of whom are repeat offenders. I say clear because those cases were referred to the advisory board, a 3-member board headed by a retired Chief Justice, and based on the approval of this advisory board, they have now been sent under Section 3.1. Section 3.1 of the Prevention of Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988, which is briefly known in short form as PITS NDPS, which is an improvement over what at that point of time was an existing act, because this act now allows for the state to detain for a period of 1 year such repeat offenders. So I will share some details with you that in July 2024 and 22nd August 2024, we have cleared the detention of one Penhoi Nong Tru of That Lasken Police Station, West Chantia Hills. In January 2025, we have also cleared, the advisory board has given a favorable report for the detention of Hubert Lamthang Paliar, again for a period of 1 year. Hubert Lamthang of Mauyong Pendengrai Nongstoin. Third, the advisory board has also cleared a plea for the detention of Marwil Nangba of Lompariat locality, Jowai. Also, we have cleared the detention of Rintu G. Saikia alias Pratap, and also Srimati Aslia Khatun alias Pahari, resident of Lower Paltan Bazar, Lobdingji PS, for a period of 1 year with effect from 3rd February 2025. So that completes the detention orders of under PITS NDP Acts for peddlers of narcotics.